Welcome to MotorMav. Do you know why the Chevy Malibu Bluetooth won't connect? Don't worry. In this video, we will discuss that. Let's find the solution for those problems. Number 1. Faulty Bluetooth module. This is the most common reason for Bluetooth issues for your Chevy Malibu. The problem triggers Bluetooth to become unresponsive and mutes audio. In this case, turn Bluetooth off and on again. Number 2. Defective wiring. The issue of the Chevy Malibu Bluetooth not being linked can happen due to bad wiring. It means if there is a problem with the cable connected with the car's Bluetooth, it may lose connection with your devices. To solve this, repair or replace the wire. Number 3. Pairing dysfunction. The Chevy Malibu Bluetooth issue occurs when your device doesn't pair with the car's Bluetooth. It's a pairing dysfunction that sometimes arises from a software issue. For this, turn Bluetooth off and on again. Number 4. Weak cellular signal. If your device signal isn't strong enough to receive and respond to the car's Bluetooth feature, then it may result in a Bluetooth issue. In this case, repair or replace devices. Number 5. Paired with other vehicle Bluetooth. Your device might be paired with any other vehicle's Bluetooth, so you may fail to connect with your own car's Bluetooth. To solve this, disconnecting other paired devices and then connecting with your car Bluetooth. Hope, after watching this video, will clear your confusion.